To look realistic and not toy-like, a layout should not be too predictable in design. A main line running along close to the edge of a standard 4 foot by 8 foot space and then curving at the end to form an oval will definitely look toy-like unless there is clever scenery or props to disguise the predictable track configuration. Where possible, it usually looks more realistic to include gentle curves, just like on a real railroad, and position the main line at a slight angle from the edge of the benchwork. Hiding the curves with tunnels or hill cuts is an effective way to distract the eye from the fact that the train is running around an oval.